Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Let's start today's class, and the topic for today is beginning and ending sounds. Children, for this topic, you must know the sounds of the alphabet, which you already learnt in your previous class. But before we start, let's revise the phonic sounds of each letter with the help of this video. Let's see this.
A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, and D makes D. E makes E, F makes F, and G makes G, 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 G. H makes H, I makes I, J makes J, and K makes K. L makes M makes and N makes N, 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 N. O makes O, P makes P, Q makes Q, and R makes R. S makes S, and T makes T, and U makes V makes V, W makes W, X makes X, and Y makes Y, Z makes Z. And that is the end of the song.
Now let's start with beginning sound. What is beginning sound, children? Beginning sound means the sound that comes from the first letter of the word. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. Then we will say the name of each picture and carefully hear the sound it begins with. It means we have to see the first letter of the word. Let's start. Now, first picture. Tell me, children, what is this? Yes, this is a cat. So, the spelling of cat is C-A-T, cat. And the first letter here is written C. So, the beginning sound is K. K. Now next picture, what is this? Tell me, children. Yes, this is a ball. So the spelling of ball is B-A-L-L, and the first letter here is written B. So the beginning sound is B. B. Now next picture. What is this, children? Yes, this is a dog. So the spelling of dog is D-O-G, dog. And the first letter is D. So the beginning sound is D. D. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a jam. Do you like jam? Yes. So the spelling of jam is J-A-M. And the first letter here is J. So the beginning sound is J. J. Next picture. Now tell me, children, what is this? Yes, this is a hat. So the spelling of hat is H-A-T, hat. And the first letter here is written H. So the beginning sound is H. H. Now last picture. Tell me, children, what is this? You don't know? This is a picture of nib, and the spelling is N-I-B. So the first letter here is written N, and the sound is N. N. Now next topic is ending sound. What is ending sound? Ending sound means the sound that comes from the last letter of the word. Children, here also we have to identify each picture and carefully hear the sound it ends with. Let's start. Now first picture of ending sound is, yes, children, tell me. Yes, this is a bat, and the spelling of bat is B-A-T B-A-T, bat. And the last letter here is written T. So the ending sound of letter T is T. T. Now next picture, what is this? Yes, this is a mug. And the spelling of mug is M-U-G. So the last letter here is written G. And the ending sound is G. G. Now next picture is of, tell me children, what is this? Do you see this thing in your home? Yes, this is a gas. So the spelling of gas is G-A-S, gas. And the last letter here is written S. So the ending sound is S. S. Now what is this? You don't know? This is a picture of bib. And the spelling of bib is B-I-B. As you can see, the last letter here is written B. So the ending sound is B. B. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a picture of mop. So the spelling of mop is M-O-P, mop. And the last letter here is written P. So the ending sound is P. P. Now last picture. What is this, children? Yes, this is a picture of dot. So the spelling of dot is D-O-T, dot. As you can see, the last letter here is written T. So the ending sound is T. T. So children, this much only. I hope you understood both the topics very well and enjoyed it too. Thank you.